Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing the phone and diagnosing the issue. Remove any case or protector that may press keys. This reveals physical obstructions. Next, restart the phone to clear temporary glitches and open Safe Mode or a Notes app to test whether keys respond. Then go to Settings, Right Arrow System, Right Arrow Languages, and Input to confirm the correct keyboard is enabled. Doing this narrows whether the problem is hardware, system level, or app-related, so you can choose the right fix. Once you've identified a software issue, clear the keyboard app cache and, if needed, data. Force stop, then reopen to reset temporary state. Make sure the keyboard app is up to date. If problems persist, uninstall updates or reinstall from the Play Store to restore default files. Check keyboard permissions like microphone or storage, because denied permissions can break features. If the system keyboard still fails, install firmware updates or use ADB commands to reload keyboard drivers. These steps restore corrupted driver components. For suspected hardware faults, power down and disconnect the battery before opening the device. Then inspect the keyboard ribbon cable and connector for debris, corrosion, or damage, and carefully reseat it. Once reassembled, test with an external USB OTG or Bluetooth keyboard to confirm whether the built-in keyboard is at fault. If keys still fail, run a keyboard diagnostics app and verify settings again. If the problem persists after these final checks, take the phone to an authorized repair shop. They can
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.